So guys, this is a Ford Kuga 2021, and if you want to replace the rear brake pads without a diagnostic tool or out of date diagnostic tool, that's how you do it. It's really simple. Basically, with the ignition off, it is going to be a little bit hard to record, but I'm going to try my best. So go full on the throttle, turn the ignition on, press the parking switch, turn off the ignition, turn on the ignition, and as you can see, we have a warning saying that not this one, park brake maintenance mode. So now you can basically replace the pads, and as soon as you finish, basically it's almost the opposite, but you have one extra step. So as you can see, park brake maintenance on. So we are going to hit the throttle full, start ignition, push the handbrake, and at some point we are going to press the brake like this for 1 second, turn off the ignition, turn on the ignition, and it's done. Basically you can release everything, and we don't have the warning for the rear brake pads again. Well guys, that's how we replace rear pads on a 2021 Ford Kuga without a machine.